This fully automatic integrated capping machine consists of bottle loading structure, sprayer feeding structure, cap crimping structure, overcap feeding structure and cap pressing structure, which is highly efficient and greatly saves labor. It is equipped with 2 vibratory bowls, one for sprayers and one for overcaps, which helps to load the sprayers and overcaps, and then automatically place the caps on the bottle with the assistance of the mechanical arm. No longer need to manually place the caps one by one. This unit needs to be customized according to the cap sizes.